This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Brian Tchaikovsky. Welcome home to this gorgeous 3-bedroom 2-bath home built in 2014 on 5 acres of land, no HOA, and a horse barn. The home features an open floor plan with plenty of room for everyone. The master bath has been beautifully done to include dual sinks, a separate shower and tub. Step out back onto the massive patio to watch the incredible Florida sunset over the 1,600+ square foot barn. The barn is equipped with electric, water, newer roof, a tack room, office, workshop and 3 existing horse stalls with room for 3 more. Schedule a showing immediately as this piece of paradise won't last long. For more information, review the details below or contact Brian Tchaikovsky at 813-3